Welcome to our virtual open house. This house is located in West Seattle in the Admiral area. Talk about location. We've got shops, restaurants, the PCC, movie theater, and lots of coffee shops. Come on in, let's take a look. This Immaculate Craftsman was built in 2008. Look at the high ceilings that let in ample light, the gleaming hardwood floors. Beautiful office right off the entry. The kitchen and living room have a beautiful open great room concept. Look at these gorgeous granite counters, stainless appliances, walk-in pantry. Both fireplaces are natural gas. You've got to see this backyard. This cellar has perfectly groomed grass. The extended living is so nice for wet, rainy days. So we have a convenient half bath. We've got a garage. Look at these beautiful 3-panel doors. Everything here has been custom done. The fixtures are all high-end and match beautifully. Now you've got to come see the upstairs. This lovely grand staircase has these iron railing and is lit nicely. You're gonna love how open this is. Isn't this beautiful? We've got 3 very nice sized bedrooms upstairs, along with an upstairs laundry. So over to the right here, let's go over here. See the first bedroom. We're gonna save that master for last, because it's a beauty. You've got to see the size of these rooms. They're just beautiful. Got double sinks in the bathroom, the community bathroom. The seller has put a lot of details in this home, from the trim to the woodwork to the backsplashes to the doors. And the expensive fixtures. Isn't this lovely? love the laundry upstairs. From any of these rooms up here, you can see, at least from the front side, the mountains off in the distance. Over here is this master suite, and boy, it's almost like a spa. Come on in. This master is just huge, with cove ceiling and your own Juliette balcony. That overlooks the backyard. Beautiful sitting area, extra space for dressers and changing, and walk-in closet. Now, you've got to come see the bathroom. Come look at this. Can you imagine soaking away the day in that tub? Isn't that a beauty? And here has double heads. So let's go back downstairs. And see how beautiful these wood stairs accent all the wood throughout the home. Make it nice and light. So thank you. Thank you for touring this open house with me. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call.